in for an absolute treat because we're about to tell you all about the GROB G520F machine. But look first at this frame and chassis of a car. So many of these parts can be made on this machine.
Well, GROB have been known for decades for producing machines for the automotive sector, and that's what this machine is actually working on at the moment. But they do a lot more than just the automotive sector these days, and this machine can obviously apply to various different sectors, and it is very exciting to see here at the open house.
This whole machining concept is so new to me, and it's very exciting because it's unique and it's different. So tell me about this setup, Paul.
Okay, so this G520, you can see here, you've got overhead machining. You've got a huge trunnion, you've got two spindles here. So basically you've got two parts on this machine and they're both being machined simultaneously. So you get two parts instead of just one.
And they're all in sync, aren't they?
Absolutely, the two spindles work as a synchronized pair. You've got two 5-axis tables here on this machine. It's just unreal. You can get up to 2 tons on each table. This actual trunnion rotates 359 degrees as well, so that's almost a full circle. And for things like swarf clearance, it's a perfect illustration here. You can see it will fall away into the bottom of the machine.
And there's nothing to block it. There's no swarf locking away into any areas. So of course you've got the conveyor taking the swarf out, and then you've got less work to do on the parts afterwards. It's clean machining.
It is, and it's extremely quick. It's like 50 meters a minute, linear drive motor machine. So if you're looking to get from one end of a part to the other, you can do that very quickly as well.
Right, okay, you've seen the concept. There's a tunnel, but we're going to show you.
Not the sort of tunnel you're probably used to, but this one's a bit different.
The nooks and crannies of it all.
Okay, this is great to see at the open house. You've got a machine here where you can actually see with the guarding off. So you've got the castings, you've got the trunnion table here, you've got the two 5-axis tables, but then yes, you've got this spindle that is in the tunnel concept. And what's different with this compared to other machines is the fact that you've got the tunnel moves on shoes. The rails, the linear rails here are actually fixed. So wherever the stroke is, or whatever point of the stroke you're at, you've got the perfect mechanical condition for machining parts. So if you're looking to try and reduce vibrations, take faster, harder cuts, all of these factors on these spindles make a real difference. Of course, you can also see here we've got the tool changes. You've got the one on the left which feeds this spindle. You've got the one on the right which feeds the second spindle. You can see either side of the trunnion here, the castings that support the trunnion, and of course you can see if this is tipping through 180 degrees, which it goes beyond, which we saw, all the swarf will fall away down here. But once again, the whole idea here is 2 parts instead of 1 in the same cycle time.